Removed by placing pressure in the back and lift up. There are 4 rods and 4 hinges. Hey everyone, welcome to Caswell's Kappa. In today's video, we're going to learn how to remove or replace your glove box in the 2nd gen Toyota Highlander. Now, let's see how it's done. Removing the glove box is really simple, but first things first, we need to take everything that's in it and remove it. Now before we remove the glove box, there's one thing we need to remove first. It's called a dampening arm, and it's located right here on the right side. The dampener arm can be removed by placing pressure in the back and then squeezing the tip. To remove the glove box, there's 2 tabs on each side, but they're a little barbed, so you'll have to lift up, push the tabs in, and then pull down. From there, we can just pull your glove box right out now. To install the glove box, there are 4 rods and 4 hinges. Line each side up, push in until they both click, and then completely close the glove box to make sure the tabs are in their place. When it's time to install the dampener arm, it's possible the arm could have rotated back into the dashboard. To get it back, you can see the assembly right here. Just push down and it will rotate the assembly back into place. This works if you have small hands. If you don't, use a flathead screwdriver and it'll pop back out. To install the dampener arm, reach in and pull down. If you got fat fingers and you can't reach it, grab a Phillips flathead or something like that, bring it down, and then just push it in place. And that's it. Grab everything that was in the glove box, put it back in, and this procedure is complete. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out and that y'all learned something new. That's all I have for y'all today, and I'll see y'all next time. Until then.